Everyone. We'll begin the session in a couple of minutes. Hi all. How was your exam? I can see most of you have mentioned Sue. So it means it's pretty awesome. Almost 95%, 90% people have said that question paper was very easy. We'll begin the session in 5 minutes. So a couple of points. All sets are same. So there is not a single difference between multiple sets. जनरली स्किल बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट्स के जो क्वेश्चन पेपर होते हैं हर जगह सेम होते हैं, उनमें कोई सेट नहीं आता. Now if you're planning to take artificial intelligence in your class 11th or informatics practices or computer science, you can connect with me on Instagram. And there is also a Telegram group जहाँ पर generally I share the notes and PDFs and other people also try to help you out. So Telegram group का जो लिंक है वो आपको चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. गुड आफ्टरनून मोना. The question paper was kind of between easy and intermediate. ज़्यादा easy भी नहीं था, ज़्यादा difficult भी नहीं था. But if you attended the sessions, I think most of the questions, almost all of the questions were done. So please put a thumbs up if the sessions helped you out, if the videos helped you. 43 plus, okay. So there's a poll in the chat. You can answer your expected marks. All right. Most of you are 45 plus, 47 plus. It's completely fine if you are not scoring very well. We all commit some mistakes, but it does not mean कि आपने अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं की थी. The best part about AI 417 is now you're in a very good position to start work on AI. अगर आपको engineering करनी है या maybe you want to create unique world changing stuff, you can use your knowledge now. I studied AI after I went to IIT, even after 2 years after I went to IIT. So you are learning quite early all these things, so make the best use of it. I can see most of you are scoring almost 80% of you are scoring more than 45. That's good to know. 70%. We'll begin in the next 2 minutes. Please, if you have any friends जिनका AI 417 exam था आज and they want to know what were the correct answers, you can share this link among them. So all the videos which I had posted जो आपने देखी थी, I think सब क्वेश्चंस उसमें से ही आए, देयर इज नॉट अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन जो नहीं पूछा गया था उसमें से, आई मीन सिंगल क्वेश्चन जो उनमें से नहीं था. Can we use AI for average percentage? I do not know. Answer. Yes, someone mentioned goat. We all know the goat. Sue. All right, so let's start off in the next 1 minute. Hello, Joshin. Class 11 PCM tips. First, finish your class 10th exams. All right, so let's begin the session by looking at the first question. Which of the following is not a task of an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ें नहीं करता है? So helping society entrepreneur करता है, preferably using foreign materials. This is the correct answer because entrepreneur does not do this. Entrepreneur does this. He also fulfills customers' need. What is asked in the question is not a task. GUI stands for, it is from your ICT skills I had told you regarding OS. So graphical user interface, B is the correct answer. Which of the following is a function of an entrepreneur? Innovation is a function. Keeping all the profit to himself or herself is not a function. Avoid taking decisions is not a function. Following traditional method of business is not a function because वो unique method भी use कर सकता है. So B is the correct answer. Always read the question carefully. I had told you. Right clicking on a file or folder opens. Now this we might not have covered, but the reason for that is we all use PCs, we all use laptops. तो जब आप राइट क्लिक करते हो आपको हमेशा एक शॉर्टकट मेन्यू दिखता है जहाँ पर आप चीज़ें कॉपी कर सकते हो, पेस्ट कर सकते हो, रीनेम कर सकते हो. मेन मेन्यू नहीं, बैक मेन्यू नहीं, फ्रंट मेन्यू नहीं. स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट इज वाइटल बिकॉज इट लीड्स टू फॉलोइंग बेनिफिट्स. स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? बिकॉज इट इम्प्रूव्स योर मूड, प्रमोट्स लॉन्जेविटी, मतलब आप ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक जी सकते हो, बूस्ट्स योर इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम बिकॉज आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी होती है. ऑल ऑफ द अबव is the right answer. Which of the following is an inner urge? यहाँ से आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए था. Achieve their goals without any external pressure, lure or reward. So मोटिवेशन की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर, अवेयरनेस नहीं. अवेयरनेस में आप राइट रॉन्ग पता करते हो, रेगुलेशन में आप मेंटेन करते हो अपना टाइम स्केड्यूल, सेल्फ कंट्रोल इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. सेल्फ मोटिवेशन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Two popular examples of pocket assistants are, now this question has kind of a confusing language. What is a pocket assistant? It should have been a voice assistant. Generally they are also called pocket assistant, but I hope you were able to answer. What did you answer? Siri, Alexa. What did you guys write? Alexa, Google Mini भी लिख सकते हो. This is a fact that all human beings have all 9 types of intelligences but at different levels. Yes, this is a fact. Name any 2 such intelligences. बहुत सारी होती हैं. Interpersonal, intrapersonal, linguistic, musical, kinesthetic, spatial, visual. आप उसमें से कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. Identify the incorrect statements from the following. AI models can be broadly categorized into 4 domains. नहीं, 3 domains होते हैं. Data sciences is one of the domain of AI model. This is right. Price comparison websites are example of data science. This is also right. The information extracted through data science can be used to make decision about it. this is also right. So I'm ending the poll now. We can see most of you are scoring very good marks. So C is the correct answer, only one. During data acquisition, feeding previous data into the machine is called. हम लोग मशीन में डेटा क्यों फीड करते हैं? ताकि उसको हम लोग ट्रेन कर सकें, ठीक है, इसलिए ट्रेनिंग डेटा। जब आप मशीन को चेक करते हो कि वो परफॉर्म कैसे कर रही है, तब आप टेस्टिंग डेटा यूज़ करते हो। एंड फाइनली जब मशीन के बोर्ड एग्जाम्स होते हैं, वी कॉल इट एज इवेल्युएटिंग डेटा, बट ऐसा कोई टर्म नहीं है, उसको भी हम लोग टेस्टिंग डेटा ही बोलते हैं। Regression is one of the type of supervised learning model where data is classified according to labels and data need not be continuous. आपको क्वेश्चन समझना है। Data is classified according to the labels and data need not be continuous. Regression में क्या होता है? Regression में हम लोग एक नंबर प्रेडिक्ट करते हैं, which means एक continuous data होता है. For example, how much marks will you score? So this statement is false. Which of the following is defined as a measure of balance between precision and recall? Can't get an easier question than this. So F1 score, punctuality, reliability, accuracy, no. Email filters, spam filters, smart assistants are examples of. So email filters, sorry for the blurred image, but that's okay if you're able to understand. Spam filters, smart assistants. क्या यूज़ करते हैं? ईमेल में आपका टेक्स्ट होता है, असिस्टेंट आपका लैंग्वेज सुनते हैं. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट वन? इट इज NLP. पॉकेट असिस्टेंट नहीं है बिकॉज स्पैम फिल्टर इज नॉट अ पॉकेट असिस्टेंट. एवेल्यूएशन कैन नॉट बी देयर. कंप्यूटर विजन में आप इमेजेस यूज करते हो, ऑल्सो नो. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट फीचर्स ऑफ स्मार्ट बॉट. स्मार्ट बॉट के करेक्ट फीचर्स क्या है? आर दे फ्लेक्सिबल एंड पावरफुल? यस, बिकॉज दे यूज AI. वो बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल एंड पावरफुल होता है. कोडिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड टू टेक दिस अप ऑन बोर्ड. ऑब्वियसली कोडिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. जब आप बॉट्स बनाते हो, कोडिंग ज़रूरी है. स्मार्ट बॉट्स वर्क ऑन बिगर डेटा बेसिस. यस, AI यूज़ कर रहा है तो ज़्यादा डेटा यूज़ करते हैं डेफिनेटली. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज द करेक्ट आंसर. प्लीज पुट अ थम्स अप अगर आपके अभी तक सारे क्वेश्चंस राइट थे. I want to see how many of you got all of these right till now. For dash, the whole corpus is divided into sentences. Each sentence is taken as a different data. So now the whole corpus gets reduced to sentences. Corpus क्या होता है? Collection of all the documents means corpus. जब हम लोग sentences में reduce कर रहे हैं, tokenization हो रहा है, बट यहाँ पर मेंशन नहीं है कौन सा टोकनाइजेशन. टेक्स्ट रेगुलेशन भी नहीं है, स्टेमिंग भी नहीं है. सेंटेंस सेगमेंटेशन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर पुटिंग थम्स अप. ओनली वन रॉन्ग, दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके. अगर दो भी गलत है अभी तक, देन इट्स ऑल्सो ओके. डैश हेल्प्स टू फाइंड द बेस्ट मॉडल दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स आवर डेटा. बेसिकली हम लोग अपना मॉडल चूज़ कर रहे हैं कि सुपरवाइज्ड लर्निंग मॉडल होना चाहिए या फिर अनसुपरवाइज्ड होना चाहिए. सो द क्वेस्ट टू फाइंड द बेस्ट मॉडल मीन्स डेटा मॉडलिंग. अगर आपको नहीं याद है तो व्हाट यू कुड हैव डन इज फाइंडिंग द AI प्रोजेक्ट साइकिल के सारे स्टेप्स लिख दो एंड देन एलिमिनेट द वंस विच आर नॉट राइट. दिस वन वॉज डेटा मॉडलिंग. All correct. Good to see that. Okay, so let's discuss this question again. Evaluation. Evaluation helps to find the best model that represents our data and how well the chosen model will work in the future. Now, I work in artificial intelligence. Data modeling would seem to be the correct answer because we are choosing the best model. After we choose the model, we then evaluate it कि उसका performance कैसा है. But also evaluation can be a right answer. Now that I look at it, both of these can be the right answers. If you have written modeling, then it's also okay. But the question was not very clear, I suppose. That's why people have mentioned evaluation as well. So दोनों ही आंसर हो सकता है. While evaluating a model's performance, recall parameter considers. So you know the confusion matrix, this upon this. So it is true positive. So it is true positive and false negative. So B is the correct answer. Next one. With reference to NLP, consider the following plot of occurrence of words versus their value. ग्राफ आपको बता रहा है कि वर्ड्स जितने फ्रीक्वेंटली अकर करते हैं उनकी वैल्यू कितनी होती है. दिस वाज डन इन द सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वाइट इजी. इन द गिवन ग्राफ एक्स रिप्रेजेंट्स, एक तो स्टॉप वर्ड्स होते हैं, उसके ऑपोजिट में आप क्या यूज़ कर सकते हो. प्रोनाउंस नहीं होता है, पंक्चुएशन भी नहीं होता, पॉपुलर वर्ड्स भी नहीं होना चाहिए, रेयर एंड वैल्यूएबल वर्ड्स, जो वर्ड्स ज़्यादा मीनिंग कन्वे करें. Which of the following is a feature of document classification? कौन सा फीचर होता है document classification का? Classifying the type and genre of the document, yes. Helps in creating the document, no. Display important information, no. No. Two conditions when prediction matches with reality are true, positive, and prediction matches with reality, which means it is true. तो यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस, या तो पॉजिटिव हो सकता है या तो नेगेटिव हो सकता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट फीचर ऑफ न्यूरल नेटवर्क? इट कैन इम्प्रूव द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ टू मॉडल्स. इट इज यूजफुल विथ स्मॉल डेटा सेट, नो. दे आर मॉडल्ड ऑन ह्यूमन ब्रेन्स एंड नर्वस सिस्टम, yes, this is the right answer. C option is correct. With reference to AI domain, expand the term CV. It means computer vision. How easy was the question paper? In this learning model, the data set which is fed to the machine is labeled. Now this can have multiple answers, right? You can say that it is a classification model. Has anyone written any other answer? Yes, supervised can also be an answer. You can also write regression, but more appropriate would be classification and supervised. Dash is a term used for any number, any word or number or a special character occurring in a sentence. So punctuator नहीं होता, tokens बोला जाता है. When the prediction matches the reality, the condition is termed as. Alright, आपने predict किया कुछ reality से match कर रहा है, तो we say it is true. Smart assistants, again, smart assistants such as Alexa and Siri are examples of not data science. Now again there is a confusion in the question, ये दोनों तो नहीं हो सकता. Natural language processing is the most correct answer, but if you have mentioned machine learning, technically you are not wrong. Machine learning could also be the right answer, but more appropriate one is natural language processing. 4W's problem canvas is a part of, very easy, problem scoping के लिए यूज होता है. First step of project cycle. It refers to the unsupervised learning algorithm which can cluster the unknown data. The hint is in the question. Question में ही आंसर छुपा है. सो क्लस्टरिंग वुड बी द राइट आंसर. सो अननोन डेटा है, पैटर्न्स एंड ट्रेंड निकालना है, लेबल नहीं है. सो आप ये हटा सकते हो, ये हटा सकते हो, ये हटा सकते हो. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग talks about how true the predictions are by any model. How true the predictions are. So F1 score you can neglect. It is a balance between precision and recall. Recall can also not be there. Reliability also not. A is the correct answer. How does meditation help in managing stress? All right. So now we are moving to the subjective type. Now whatever answers I give, they are not perfect. You can write them in your own words. हर एक क्वेश्चन के मल्टीपल आंसर्स भी हो सकते हैं यहाँ पर, बट देर आर सम मेन पॉइंट्स विच यू नीड टू मेंशन. मेडिटेशन हेल्प्स यू रिलैक्स बाय यूजिंग ब्रीदिंग, फोकसिंग. व्हाट हैव यू रिटन? यू कैन मेंशन इन द चैट कि आपने क्या लिखा है. If you have a doubt, you can post it in the chat. I will have a look. Give any two key roles performed by an entrepreneur. Generate employment, obviously. Improves living standard of society. Mobilizes wealth, आप लिख सकते हो. You can say improves economy. Many things. Fresh mood is also right answer. Focusing, calmness, peace is also right. Reduces blood pressure is also right. You cannot have a wrong answer in meditation. Okay. Mention any two benefits of working independently. This question was repeated in IT 402, I think. Benefits are independence of taking decisions. आप decisions खुद से ले सकते हो. Your time, your schedule is your own. You're not dependent on others. Reduced prices can also be the right answer for entrepreneurship. Gurmeet has just bought a new computer for his office. ठीक है. Suggest him any 2 points which he should keep in mind to prevent his computer from virus infection. What are the 2 points? First one is the most common, antivirus. Second is frequent scans, but you can also write check websites before downloading. Define the term agricultural entrepreneurship. How are farmers benefited from it? So we have not discussed this in any of our sessions, so this can be an exception. But agricultural entrepreneurship mein you can talk about farmers who are probably doing something unique like organic farming or maybe some water harvesting. Something unique that they're doing. They are farmers. How they are benefited from it. They can create. Now how can they benefit from it? You can just say they can create more eco-friendly things. They can generate employment. They can generate capital. Question 4, 5 left to discuss. Pratham, I will check the question at the end now. Explain any one example of AI bias. Now, if you search for salon on Google, so सबसे पहले आपको women salon दिखाएगा. अगर आप assistants की बात करो तो earlier assistants की सबकी आवाज़ female voice थी. So that can be example of AI bias. What जेंडर बायस भी लिख सकते हो आप अगर आपको एग्जाम्पल्स याद है. लीडरशिप एंड हार्ड वर्क इज नॉट अ फंक्शन, इट इज़ अ क्वालिटी. साची. What is dimensionality reduction? I had discussed in one of the subjective videos dimensionality reduction, if not in one of the comments. So it converts complex data or high dimensional data into simple data or lower dimensional data, so that it becomes easier for the computer to understand, it becomes easier for the humans to understand it. Define chatbot. What are its types? So it is a program which humans can talk to. They can ask their doubts, they can get their queries solved. What are its types? There are two types. One is script bot, other is smart bot. Amazon वाला एग्जाम्पल आ सकता था AI bias में. Mediation spelling mistake, that is okay. Define confusion matrix. Now confusion matrix tells us about the confusion level of your AI model. How confused is your model? How does the model perform on your data set? Multiple definitions हो सकते हैं यहाँ पर. अगर आपने ऐसा बना के भी दिखा दिया, यहाँ पर आपने reality लिख दिया है, यहाँ पर prediction लिख दिया, पूरा labeling भी कर दिया, then it's also fine. Face lock feature of a smartphone is an example of computer vision. Briefly discuss this feature. So face is scanned using computer vision. ठीक है, जब आपको face अपना phone unlock करना होता है, you have to scan it again. Now your face has an image. This image can be broken down into smaller parts using machine learning and computer vision. Many things you can write, not a single correct answer. Helping society can be the right answer for entrepreneurial skills. With reference to data processing, expand the term TF-IDF. To applications of TF-IDF, text classification, semantic matching. आपने कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स लिखे हैं? रिमूवल ऑफ स्टॉप वर्ड्स हो सकता है, समराइजेशन हो सकता है, एक्सट्रैक्टिंग इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम डेटा हो सकता है, रेशियल बायस इज ऑल्सो ओके साची. Hybrid chatbot can also be written. Miss Sooji is a beginner in the field of artificial intelligence. She got confused among core terms like AI, ML, DL. Many a times these terms are used interchangeably, but are they the same? No, they are not the same. Drawing a well-labeled diagram to depict interconnection of these three fields. So multiple times I have explained this diagram. I hope you have seen this before. So this is AI, this is ML, and this is DL. So you can explain it by talking about machine learning is a subset of AI, deep learning is a subset of ML. Topic modeling can be the right answer, information extraction can be the right answer. What is the significance of AI project cycle? Explain in detail about how data acquisition is different from data exploration. So AI project cycle is a cycle that any AI project follows from start to finish. It helps you solve the problems in an improved manner. Various ways you can define it. You can also write down the various steps. Data acquisition में हम लोग data collect करते हैं by the use of web scraping, interviews, surveys, whereas in data exploration we look into the data by the use of graphs, etc. Yes, Azlan, I will also upload 11 12th content. Create a document vector table from the following documents by implementing all the four steps of bag of words model. Also depict the outcome of each step. You can refer to the video for this, or you can also refer to the yesterday's revision session. राइट सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना होता है, एक डिक्शनरी बनानी होती है. सो फॉर ऑल द वर्ड्स आप एक डिक्शनरी बनाओगे, फिर फाइनली यू विल ऐड अ कॉलम फॉर ऑल द वर्ड्स. द वर्ड्स शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड हेयर. फिर डॉक्यूमेंट वन में कौन से आ रहे हैं वहाँ पर 1 1 1 लिखोगे, देन 0 0 0 एंड सो ऑन. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट हेयर बिकॉज आई डू नॉट हैव इनफ स्पेस टू सॉल्व इट, but I hope you know how to solve this. Will it be valid to say that not all devices which are termed as smart are AI enabled? Will it be valid to say that not all devices which are termed as smart are AI enabled? Justify this statement. Explain any two examples from daily life which are commonly misunderstood as AI enabled. Alright, so let's talk about your AC. Generally हम लोग बोलते हैं smart AC, but वो AC actually smart नहीं होता है. The only thing you can do is you can switch it on or switch it off from anywhere in the world by the use of internet. But इसमें AI नहीं है, इसमें IoT होता है. So कभी कभी इन devices को भी हम लोग smart बोल देते हैं. Same goes for your washing machine. So this is how you can justify the statement. So you can talk about smart AC, you can talk about smart washing machines. So most of the people have DM'd me yesterday night. I tried to reply to all of you, but there were a lot of messages. I'll continue to reply to you guys, so please wait. Recently the country was shaken up. All right, let's not read this entire thing. We have the confusion matrix. How many total cases are true negative? All right, so how do we solve this question? Let's try to do this. So 55, 45, over here is 25 and 45. So a total of 100 observations. So true negative के कौन से cases हैं? So true negative मतलब prediction था आपका no and reality भी था आपका no. So 20 is the correct answer. Calculate precision recall and F1 score. Precision is 50 upon 55. Recall is 50 upon 75. F1 score. Alright, so let's try to do this approximately. Now it should be around, precision should also almost be around 0.9 होना चाहिए. अगर आपने डेसिमल में लिखा है इट इज़ ओके. अगर आपने 99% लिखा है जनरली दैट इज़ नॉट एक्सेप्टेड बट कैन बी राइट. दिस शुड बी 2 upon 3, so 0.67 approximately. This should be the answer. And then when you multiply these on 1.57 into 2, so can anyone tell what's the right answer for this? But anyways, this is the formula for precision recall and F1 score. You can write smart TV also in that example, around 0.8. all right, it is okay अगर आपने exact calculate नहीं किया, आसपास है. अगर आपका formula correct है you will get marks. So I think this was the last question. We have finished almost everything. Shouldn't we multiply by 100? If you want to write in percentage, you can multiply by 100, but generally it is good practice to keep it in decimals. I have explained this before. I do not know exact answer can be 0.7. अगर आपने यहाँ पर भी 0.7 लिखा है then it's also okay. It is completely fine अगर आपने round off किया है, अगर आपने exact values लिखे हैं. You can write smart for TV. Alright, so if you're planning to take AI 843 in your class 11th, you can subscribe to the channel. You can share this link among your friends अगर उनको solution चाहिए for this question paper. One question left. How much marks will you get if your calculation is wrong? I think half of the marks are for your formula and other half should be for your answer. Alright, with this I can see most of you are scoring very well in your AI exam. So if it doesn't count in your final percentage, that is okay. But when you start applying for your colleges, your AI 417 matters a lot. It will matter on your resume. It will be a good thing to know in future as well. So at any point of time, if you have doubts in IIT JEE or maybe some physics, chemistry, not bio, mathematics में अगर आपको doubt है, you can follow me on Instagram, you can connect with me there, Aakash 7.7 on Insta. अगर आप Telegram group join करना चाहते हो, you can find the link in the community post. Please do not forget to like this session so that it reaches the maximum audience of AI 417. It was great solving all of your doubts, but with this we have finished the entire curriculum. We have finished the entire course for AI 417 of 2023. For upcoming batches, I'll be posting some new content, but largely the syllabus remains the same. So if you have juniors who want to study, you can recommend this channel to them. So I'll be ending the session in the next 2 minutes. So if you want to leave, you can do that, but do not forget to like and subscribe first. It helps me continue making these sessions for you guys. I'll also be taking sessions for 11th and 12th. If you want to connect with me, you know what to do. You can comment under the videos. You can post on the Telegram group. You can connect me with me on Telegram and Instagram. If you're not getting very good marks in any of the main subjects, your AI marks can actually replace that. All the best everyone for your other exams. Please let me know once you are done with all your exams and how much you are scoring. If you're watching this session now, please do not forget to like this so that it reaches the maximum audience for AI 417. हम लोगों ने पूरा answering scheme discuss किया है. Most of the people are getting more than 45, which essentially means about 75% people are getting more than 90% marks, which is a very good thing. If we write recall as 0.6, you can multiply by 100, but then you have to mention the percentage sign. Alright guys, so the time is up. I think I'll be seeing you in class 11th then. Keep preparing well. All the best for your future. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.